Second method is factorization by regrouping. How will you solve? By using this method, we have to make the group. Here we have to make the group of the term. Then
Ma'am, is it like regrouping?
Yes, it is regrouping only. First, you have to select the group in which there might be a common term. Okay, group the terms, then take the common factor. Okay, like if I take this example, 3x square plus 2x plus 12x plus 8. Okay, how will you factorize this expression? By regrouping the term. Yeah, do it. And tell me the answer. Yes, I will ask you. Where is the video? Yeah, tell me what are the factors of this expression? Harshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what are the factors of this expression?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, is the answer 3x plus 2x plus 4?
Yes.
Ma'am, in this, ma'am, did you move it? Yeah. So in this, 12x and 3x square will be grouped together, and 2x plus 8 will be grouped together.
Okay. So why we are not grouping 3x square and 2x together?
Ma'am, because in this only x is common, ma'am. 3 and 2 are not common with each other.
Okay.
And 12 and 8 are like, it will be more complicated, ma'am, in this way.
Okay. But you can solve by using both the method. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's take, see, you have to see, you have to pick the terms which is having most common term. Okay. So here you can see here 3x square first and third term is having the most common factors. Okay. You can see the 3 and x square and here x. So we can write this 3x square plus 12x together and the remaining term together. Okay. Now you can, after grouping, you can take the common in the first two term. The common in first two term would be 3x. When you will take this common, in bracket, we left with only x in the first term and 4 in the second term. 3 4s are 12. Okay. If 3 is already out, 4 will remain. Okay. And similarly, in the last two terms, what term can be taken as common? 2 can be taken as common. Okay. And x can't be taken as common because x is not present in the last term. Okay. So take the 2 as common. You will left with x plus 4. 2 4s are 8. Okay. Now after doing this, this is the second, this is the first step. First step is grouping. Second step is taking common. Okay, taking common factor. And in the third step, what you have to do, again take the common in these two terms. Okay, so what is the common factor in these two terms? X plus 4 is a common in these two terms. Okay, so take it out and write down the remaining part, 3x plus 2. Okay, so this will be the factorization of this given expression, x plus 4, 3x plus 2. Okay, can you check your answer that this is correct or not?
Yes, ma'am, it's correct.
Yeah, Is there any method to check your answer that this given factorization is correct or not? Do you know? Inaya?
Ma'am, we can multiply these two products. X into 3x is 3x square and
Yes,
2x. We
ma'am.
can
Yes,
do it like
you
that.
can multiply both the product. You will, if you will get the same result, then it means your factorization is, your factors are correct. Okay, so this is the regrouping method. Now, yeah, take this example, write down it and find out the factors. Yeah, do it by using regrouping method. Tanvi, Tanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait. Tanvi, tell me, how will you factorize this expression?
What, ma'am? Can you repeat?
How will you solve? How will you factorize this expression? Can you see this expression on the screen? 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x.
Yes, ma'am, we can see.
Okay. So Tanvi, tell me, how will you factorize this expression? Yeah, you can type your. Okay, Tanvi, why you
Ma'am,
don't know?
can I say?
Tanvi, what happened to what happened? Bharti madam covered this, already covered, no? This chapter has already been done, right?
Yes, ma'am, this is done. Yes.
So Tanvi, why you don't know? You should know, your exams are near and the revision part is going on.
Ma'am, we have this chapter in our school also, ma'am, for exam.
Yes, tell me. Manideep. Manideep,
Yes, ma'am.
how will you solve this expression?
We can take 6xy minus 9x and minus 4y plus 6, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Instead of that, we can take 6xy minus 4y, right?
Yes, ma'am. Anything is fine.
Yeah, you can take first or say first or third term as common, or you can group. No need to do the grouping. Actually, in its original form, we can take the common.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we can take the common. In first form, first two term, what is the term that is common? Which term is common?
Ma'am, 2, ma'am.
2.
2y.
Okay, 2
2y,
and
yes.
2 and
Yes.
y.
Y, ma'am.
Okay, 2 and y. Okay, if I take 2y common, then what will be left?
3x minus 2, ma'am.
3x minus 2. Okay, and in the second last two term,
Common.
yeah,
3x common, ma'am.
3x,
3 is common. Only 3,
3 is
ma'am.
common. Okay, so when 3 will take out,
Two-
what will be the left? 2
2 minus 3x, ma'am.
minus 3x. Okay, now
Common is 2, like 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 2, ma'am. So as 2 minus 3x, we can change the sign, ma'am.
yes, I need to change the sign. Okay,
Yes.
because the term in the bracket are same. Okay, only they are having the difference of sign. Okay, so this sign can be changed by taking negative common. If you will take the negative common, here you will left with negative and here you will get positive. Okay, when you take negative out, the sign inside the bracket will get changed. Correct? So you
Yes,
can write this as 3x minus 2 minus 3, 3x minus 2. Now you can
Yes.
take the 3x minus 2 as common since it is present in both the term, and you will left with 2y minus 3. So these are the two factors of this given expression. Okay, this is the answer. Correct? Now I am giving you.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can you go up once?
Yeah, tell me. There is a confusion
Ma'am,
of
in
sign.
this 1x will come, right?
Where?
-3, that one there.
-3 here.
Because 3, yeah, ma'am. 3 and 3 are 1, right? 3 ones are
3
3.
3s are 9. If we take,
Okay, yes,
if we take
okay.
3 common, you will left with 2. 3 2 are 6. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I got
And
it.
3
I
3s
got
are 9.
confused.
Okay. Now I will assign you. Wait. Uh, Divyesh. First question is for Divyesh. Second question for Manideep. This third is for Manideep. Okay. This is for Nityashri. This is for
Yes, ma'am.
Inaya. This is for Inaya. Who is left?
Ma'am, Harshita.
Harshita. This is for you. And SK. Shubhra. This is for you. This is for Shubhra.
Okay.
Who is still left? Manideep, Tanvi. I think Tanvi is left. Tanvi, this is for you. Okay. I am giving you 1 minute time and I will ask one by one. Okay.
Ma'am, this is Nityasri minus done, ma'am. It's very easy. Ma'am, can I solve others also? Excuse me, ma'am, am I audible? Ma'am? Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, yes. Now you are audible. Type your answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, only mine.
Shubhra, no, everyone. Shubhra already gave the answer. Shubhra.
Ma'am,
No, ma'am, that is previous answer. I should give this answer.
Okay. Tanvi.
ma'am, my chat is not working, ma'am. My type.
Okay. You tell me directly. Yeah.
Yes, can I say now?
Wait. Let me. I will ask you. Wait.
Ma'am, I have sent mine.
Tanvi.
Ma'am, I put my answer in the
It
chat
is
box.
correct. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, this is Nityasri. I also sent my answer.
Nityashri, your answer. Yes. Fourth one.
Correct, ma'am?
One is the common factor, right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Manideep, 14 PQ, correct. Shubhra, 6 AB, correct. Yes. Now, yeah, Nityashri, tell me.
Ma'am, -1, ma'am.
Okay, Harshita. What is your answer?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Divyesh?
1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah. Divyesh, what is your answer? Divyesh and Inaya. Their answer is still pending. Inaya, what is your answer? What are you getting?
Not getting mine, ma'am.
Inaya. Okay.
No, ma'am, Harshita.
No. Chat box, Inaya has typed her answer. Yes, 2 into 2 into. No. Inaya, this 2 into 2, 2 times. This 2 times is 2 into 2 is that factor is not present in the first 10 QR, right?
No, ma'am, that 2 into 2 into 5 is for 30 RP.
Okay, that is for 30. So what are the common factor? between these three terms. You have to find out the common factor of the given term. You have
Ma'am.
done the factorization, right? Now find out the common term.
Ma'am, I got the answer for Harshita's one.
Okay, wait. Let me to finish for the Inaya. Inaya, 10 is not an answer. Okay. Let me check. Yes, 2 is common. 2 is common. 5 is common. Again 2 is common. Okay. And X.
Ma'am, but in Inaya's one only 10 is common, ma'am, because in one PQ is there, second one
Yes,
QR
10 is correct.
Yes, ma'am. Only
Yes.
10, ma'am.
10 is correct. Her answer is correct. Correct.
Ma'am, in Harshita's answer, I'm getting only XY, ma'am.
Harshita.
Yes, ma'am. Only XY is
Yes,
common in mine.
correct. Okay. Now factorize. You have to factorize. Okay. Again, wait. Let me to take few tough question.
Ma'am, will you say split the middle term?
Yeah, factorize this term using
regrouping
yes,
method.
regrouping. Actually, this we have done already sufficient number of questions, right? Now we will see the factorization using identities. Okay. Now see, there are three identities which you have to remember. Okay, which you have to remember. The first one is a plus b square. A plus b whole square would be a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b square would be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Only there will be difference of sign. Okay. Third one, a plus b, a minus b. That would be
Ma'am, one
a square
formula
minus.
you missed out, ma'am. A plus b into a plus b. Sorry, x plus a into x plus b.
That we will discuss later. Okay,
In my book,
if any question will not fit in under these identities, then we have to take x plus a, x plus b identity.
in my book, they give that formula also, ma'am. X plus
Yeah, that I will discuss you later. Okay, so these are the three identities. Okay, now if I give you one question, express 2x plus 3 to the power whole square. Okay.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, 2x plus 3 is in the form of a plus b whole square. So 2x whole square plus plus 3. Okay. Once again, ma'am.
Yeah.
2 to the 4. 12x.
Ma'am, it's 2x whole square, ma'am, not cube.
Yes, 12x square. 2x square.
2x whole square plus 12x
12x
plus 3 whole square.
plus 3 whole square.
Whole square.
Okay. So this 12x is the multiplication of 2 into 2x into 3, 2ab. Okay. So 2 to the 4, 4 3 to 12, 12x. Okay. And after solving this, you will get 4x square plus 12x plus 9. Okay. So this will be the expression of this 2x plus 3 whole square. If I say find out or express this factor 2x minus 3 square.
Ma'am, can I say?
You already said, na? Now let
Ma'am, can I?
yeah, tell me. This is Inaya, right?
No, ma'am, Manideep.
Manideep, yeah. Tell me.
So a
Rest
square,
of you
ma'am.
can give your answer in the chat box. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, a square, ma'am. So 2x square
Okay, 2x square
minus 2ab.
2 into AB. What is
Yes.
A here? 2x. B is
Ma'am, I
Minus
have sent
12x,
my answer.
yes, correct.
minus 12x
Okay. Plus
plus
or minus?
minus, ma'am.
No. Don't confuse. Here, see, a square minus, only minus sign will come with the 2ab term.
But we have minus 3 square.
Okay, but write here plus sign. After that, take the square of minus 3 square.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, when you will take the square of minus, it will be plus only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now
Ma'am,
solve it.
how how plus will come? Bharati ma'am told us in that class, ma'am.
See, I have told you minus 1 raised to power, if it is even, the result would come in plus. If minus 1 raised to power odd number, then the result would be negative. Here
Yes, ma'am.
the power is, exponent is 2, which is even. So the result would be plus only. Okay, otherwise it is very simple. Minus 3 into minus 3. Minus into minus will become plus. Okay, and 3 into 3 will become 9. So plus 9. Minus 3 square will be plus 9. Okay, so now 2x square. 4x square minus 2 to the 4, 12x plus
9, ma'am.
Okay, it is clear now that minus 3 square will be plus 9. Clear? It is clear to everyone? Shubhra,
Yes.
clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay. So now factorize this expression using identity.
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait.
Can I type in the chat?
Yeah. You type it. Shubhra. Tanvi, what is your answer?
Ma'am, did you get my answer?
Wait. No.
Ma'am,
I did not get.
I just sent, ma'am, it's showing. I sent to you also.
Nitya Shri, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
You got, ma'am?
Wait. 3x. Yeah, correct. It is correct.
Correct, ma'am?
Yes, it is correct. Okay. So in these type of questions, how will you solve if there are 3 identity? Okay, and one negative sign is there. Try to use that identity a minus b square, because in this identity only we get negative sign. Okay, 2ab plus b square. In this identity only we are getting negative sign. So now see, the first and last term are the perfect whole square. Okay, so they are the square of 3x, and the last term is the perfect square of 4y square. Now you can break this term into ab. Okay, when you will write 2ab, write down the
Ma'am, but while they ask questions like this, they will directly ask like formula, or if they give formula, the expression, ma'am.
Yes, they can ask both. From the
Okay, ma'am.
formula you have to find out its factor, and from the factor they may find out the expression. Okay, so now when you will write 2ab, a is 3x and b is 4y. Okay, now check it. Are you getting 24xy or not? 2 3 is 6,
Yes,
6
ma'am.
4 is 24xy. You are getting 24xy. Okay, so it means it is fitting in the identity. This expression is fitting in this identity a minus b square, where a would be
Ma'am, I
3x.
didn't understand this sum, ma'am.
Wait. Let me do it again.
Ma'am, we can do it like if a and b, a square and b square and are in the square form, so we can take it as directly.
How?
This
How is it?
9x
You
square
have
is
to
equals
solve.
to
Yeah, yeah.
Square is 3x, no?
Shubhra. Yeah. First, Shubhra say.
Ma'am, like 9x square is like 3x is its square, and 16 y square is equals to 4y. So we
Yeah.
can take it as directly 3x plus 4y whole to the power square. We can take it like that.
You can take it 3x plus 4y.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Plus,
No. This is wrong.
ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
I actually
We
use
should
the
take
same
3x
method, but
minus
Shubhra, your
4y.
method is wrong. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, you can actually you can find out that 9 and 16 are perfect squares. You can express it like 3x whole square minus, you have to find out the factors of the 24xy. Take the preferable one, and then you can like for 24, 12 and 2 are the factors, and 8 and 3, and 24 and 1.
So you are not using any identity, right?
I'm like, it's in general factorization.
Yeah. You are doing general factorization. You have to use the identity. It is
ma'am,
mentioned
can
here.
I do like directly say 2xy is means it is 2ab I can understand, ma'am. So directly I wrote it like 9x square is 3x plus minus 3x minus 4y whole square, like that. Can I write
No.
directly, ma'am?
Directly.
Can we write then 6 into 4?
The middle term.
She split the middle term.
Yeah.
Yes,
You are
ma'am.
splitting this into 6 into 4. Then.
Yes, ma'am.
Then.
But how did you get 6? First for 16 you have to add 9, then like that you have to do, no?
Yes.
For 25.
You can do in the either way. You can split this term, or since here they are asking use identity.
Ma'am, but
Okay.
in split the middle term I have a doubt, ma'am.
Wait.
If x.
Wait. This 24xy can be splitted as 16 plus 9. They are no, they will not be 25. They will be 25. So split the term.
That only I said, ma'am.
Yes, split that one 24, so that we can take 9. It will be divisible by 9 and 16 both. Okay, so that will be quite tough. You have to use identity. Okay, since you know that in this a minus b square identity, you are getting the result a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now you check with this expression. You can say the first and the last term. Okay, they are the perfect square. They are the perfect square of 3x, and the last term is the perfect square of 4y. Okay, now you have to verify the middle term. The middle term should be minus 2ab. Okay, from this first and last term, you can easily find that my a would be 3x, b would be 4y. Okay, so now if I multiply this a and b with 2, I am getting this 24xy or not? Multiply it 2 into 3x into 4y. Okay, 2 into 3, you are getting the same term 24xy. Okay, so you can express this whole expression into a minus b square identity. Okay, so this will be a minus b whole square. This is the solution using identity. Is there any doubt? Yes?
No doubt, ma'am.
No doubt. Okay, so
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
yes, tell me.
Ma'am, like during factorization, we check that if 9x square and 16y square are perfect squares, then
we check the middle term. Yes, the first and last should be the perfect square. Then only we can apply any three identity, any of these three identities. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. So
The
also we
first
can
and
also-
last, yeah, this is the first trick. to identify that we can apply any identity or not. The first and the last term should be the perfect square. Then only you can apply the identity.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. If it would be a plus, if it would be plus instead of minus, then your answer will be 3x plus 4y square. Okay. It will satisfy this identity, a plus b square, a square plus b square plus 2ab.
So we can also check the perfect squares by using an identity as well, like when we check them and when we split the middle term, right?
Yeah, split the
ma'am.
middle term. How will you split it? 24xy.
Like 2 into 3x into 4y.
Yes. And then that would be 2ab. Okay. 2ab. After
Okay, ma'am, got
splitting, you do the multiplication. You should get the same term, same middle term, 24xy. Okay. Then you can apply this identity a minus b square. Okay. Now we'll do one more
Ma'am, it's
question.
not like that we should only split the middle term, right? We can split any term.
No, she is saying after verifying that these first and third term are square number, perfect square, then we have to split the middle term. So we are splitting now in terms of a and b. We are splitting this.
No, ma'am, I'm asking that like in any other question, it's not compulsory that we should only split the middle term, right?
No, this is not compulsory. You have to check after getting the value of a and b. From the first and third term, you will get the value of a and b. Okay. So you can multiply this a into b with 2. Then you can cross check whether this method will be a correct or not. Whether are you getting the same middle term as given in the question or not. Okay, that is a method of verifying the middle term. It is not mandatory. Okay.
Ma'am, can we also do by regrouping the term?
Regrouping the term. The same question by using regrouping. Okay. See, we can solve the same question by using regrouping. 9x square. It will be a difficult actually. That's why we are using identity. It will be a difficult. You have to split this 24 into some common factor of 9. This can be split as
Ma'am, can we have quiz?
wait. 3xy plus 21. Actually, this will be quite tough. You have to, this method will be on a hit and trial basis. Okay, so don't waste your time in doing this, splitting this term. If you can directly see, we can fit this identity, then why to unnecessarily waste your time? Just check your first term and third term. If they are perfect square, you have to fit any of these 3 identities. Okay. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, yeah, do this question. X square plus 10x plus 25 using identities. Yeah, do it fast and tell me your answers. Type your answer in chat box. Shubhra.
Yes, ma'am. We have to split the terms.
Shubhra, did you find where you did mistake? No need to.
Yes, ma'am.
No need to write directly that 3x plus 4y.
Okay, ma'am.
Check the middle term also. X square plus 10x plus 5. First, see these first and last term. Are they perfect square? Yes. The first
Ma'am,
term
we
is
can
the
say that 25 can be expressed in the form of 5. Like
5 square. 25
yes,
would be
ma'am.
the 5 whole square. Okay. Now this middle term would be 2 into x into 5. 2 into
Ma'am,
a into b.
And can we also select 2 into 5 into x? Like
Yeah, same thing. You can say 2 into 5 into x. Same. Okay. So you are getting x square plus 2 into x in 2 into 5 into x plus 5 square. So this would be a identity of a plus b square, where a is x, b is 5. So you are getting x plus 5 whole square. Okay. So the factors of this expression would be x plus 5 square. Clear? Okay, now do this question. 49p square minus 36. Do it fast. There are only two terms. So which identity will fit here? The first two will not fit here because for first two we need at least 3 terms. For these two we need at least 3 terms. 3 terms are not there. Okay, so these identity will not fit here. The third identity is a square minus b square. Okay, and its factors will be a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so can we check that this a and b, are they perfect square? Both terms are perfect square or not? Yes, the 49p square is the perfect square of 7p and 36 is the perfect square of 6. Okay, we can write this term as 7p square minus 6 square. Now you can apply this identity a plus b, a minus b. So its factor would be a plus b. A is 7p, b is 6. 7p plus 6, 7p minus 6. That's it. That will be the factor. That will be the answer. Okay. Okay. It is clear where to apply which identity. It should be clear for everyone. If there are only two perfect square, then you have to take the identity number third, a square minus b square. Okay, for first two identity, we need at least 3 terms. Clear? Okay. The similar. There are only 2 terms in this question. So which identity will fit here? Which one will fit here? A square minus?
A square minus 2ab minus.
The 256 is the perfect square of which number?
16.
16. 256 is the square of 16. Okay. And M4. See here. It is M4, not M square. So M4 is the square of
M2.
M2. M4 is the square of M2. Okay. And 256 is the square of 16. So now you are getting a square minus b square. You have to use this identity. This will be applicable. A plus b, a minus b. We are having 2 term perfect square. Okay. So here a would be m square and b would be 16. Okay. So your answer would be a plus b, m square plus 16 and m square minus 16. Okay. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Or we can solve it further. This is the final answer or we can solve it further. Can we solve it further?
Can solve it further, ma'am.
Yes, we can solve it further because again they are perfect square of
squares. Yes, ma'am.
Again they are perfect square. There's
m and 4.
m and 4.
M minus 4.
This is the square of 4 and this 16 is also
We can
square of 4.
again do it further, ma'am, because the square root of 4 is 2, which is m square
Yes.
plus 2.
This question is
Yes, ma'am.
important. We can further factorize this term only. We can't factorize this term.
Only
this factor.
4. Yes.
We can't factorize m square plus 16 because we don't have any such identities which can express m square plus 16. Okay, we can express only m square minus 4 square, and that would be m plus 4 and m minus 4. A plus B, A minus B. A is M, B is 4. Correct? Now
Yes, ma'am.
can we further simplify it?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
M square
Are they
minus 4
perfect?
square.
Where is the M square? Where is the M square? I'm
No,
getting
ma'am.
only-
X plus A, X plus B, no, ma'am. X minus B, no. A plus A, sorry, A plus B, A minus B, no, ma'am. So,
Yes.
M square plus 4 square. Minus square, 4 square, sorry.
So that only we have simplified. From that only we have written this M plus 4, M minus 4. And you are again saying this could be written as M square minus 4 square.
No, ma'am, I don't think it can be further simplified because of the squares, ma'am.
Where is the square?
Like there should be an M square or any perfect. Like we can say that 4 is a perfect square, but if that M square was there, we would have simplified it further.
Yes. You can't simplify it further, because if it would be M square, then only you can solve it further. Since it is not M square, it is M. This is a not perfect square of M. We can't solve it further. So this will be our final answer. Okay, correct. So here in this question, you have to apply identity 2 times. The same identity 2 times. First, in the beginning, okay. After applying the first, here in the middle, M square minus 6. Here also they are perfect square. So you can apply the same identity for M square minus 16. M square minus 4 square. A plus B, A minus B. A is M and B is 4. Okay, so this would be the final answer. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Can we break up m square plus 16 means like a square plus b square? Can we break it up?
No, there is no such identities. There is no such identities of A square plus B square. There is no such identity which can factorize this term. Okay, we have only 3 identities: A plus B square, A minus B square, and A square minus B square. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
Does it belong to any of these 3 form?
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so for those expression which does not belongs to these 3 identity, we have different method for them. Okay, now we will see that method. The method is factor the form of x plus a, x plus b. Okay, so this method is applicable where we can't take the perfect square of a and b. Okay, so there we use this method x plus a, x plus b. Okay, if I have a factor x plus a, x plus b, after multiplying this expression, I will get, can you multiply these factors? Do you know how to multiply these type of factors? They will be multiplied using distributive law. Okay, first multiply with this x with x plus b, then multiply this a with x plus b. Okay, how will you multiply? First multiply this x with both the terms,
With both the terms, and A with both the terms.
and then multiply this a with both the term. Okay,
Ma'am, for this type of formula, at least 3 terms should be there again.
yes, 3 term will be there, but the first and third will not be the perfect square. Okay, the
Ma'am,
first
if it
and
ends
third
up
term.
becoming a perfect square, then
No, if they are perfect square, then the identity you can apply any identity. Okay, when the first and third is not a perfect square, then you have to solve or factorize using this method, x plus a, x plus b method. Okay,
Ma'am, can we do quiz?
yeah, after this part we will play.
Ma'am, if first term and the last term are perfect square, we can apply a square plus 2ab plus b square identity.
Yes. Okay, and if it is minus in the middle term, then you have to apply a minus b square identity. Okay, if all the terms are plus, then apply a plus b square. If one term is minus the middle term, then apply a minus b square. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now see,
Yes,
use a
ma'am.
distributive law First multiply x with x plus b, then multiply a with x plus b. Okay. Now again multiply this x with both the term. You will get x square plus xb plus ax plus ab. Okay. Now write x square as it is. Take the common x. Take the x as common. You will left with a plus b and write down the ab as it is. Okay. So the meaning is that when you will express this x plus a, x plus b, you will get the result x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. You have to remember this result. Okay. Okay. So,
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
yeah.
Ma'am, the box one you wrote, like, is that an important formula? So, like,
No,
you
this
have
is
the
not the
formula
important
somewhere.
formula. Actually, we will solve the questions based on this form.
No, because in the formula, they said that only x square plus a plus b, x plus ab. Here, the x has involved, so I asked.
What x is?
Yeah, this x is involved after the plus sign of this.
Yes, here x is there, na? X is present in the middle term. When you will multiply, I have told you the multiplication process. When you will multiply it using distributive law, you will get this result x square plus x, a plus b plus ab.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's see one question. Yeah, if I give you x square plus 3x plus 2, okay, factorize this expression. How will you factorize? Now tell me.
Ma'am, using the same particular property you told, like x property one, like x
X plus a,
into
x plus b, factorization method. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, why you can't apply the identity?
Ma'am, because here
Ma'am, because no formula applies right here.
Ma'am, split the middle term will come, ma'am. Two ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3.
2 plus 1, 3.
3, ma'am. So 2x plus 1x plus 2.
2x plus 1x plus 2. Yeah.
Then we have to like x we should take in common.
Common.
Then x plus 2 we'll get, and this side 1 if we take again x plus 2.
Yes.
So we'll get x plus 2, x plus 1.
Yes. This method is correct. Okay. If I say
ma'am, again if we want this also we can do like x plus a into x plus b, ma'am. That formula also we can use.
Yeah. This formula only you solved it using this formula only. You can compare this identity. You can compare this expression with the x square plus x a plus b. Okay, when you will compare this equation 1 with the equation, you can say star, then you will get a plus b as 3 and ab equal to 2.
x plus a, x plus b is x square
X
minus x square. After that, can you say formula?
X square plus x in the bracket a plus b plus ab. That's it. No x square. Nowhere is x square.
Okay, no x square.
AB. It is AB. Okay.
No, so, x square plus x bracket a plus b plus ab.
Yes. Yes, that is the formula. Okay. So the main thing is that when you can't apply the 3 identities, then you have to check for this x plus a, x plus b formula. Okay. How will you check it?
Ma'am, if we do that, we'll get x square plus 3x plus 2 only, ma'am, again.
Yes. Yes. That is the correct one. This is the correct one.
No, ma'am, if we again multiply. Solve that x plus a, x plus b, we'll get x square plus x, 2 plus 1 plus 2 ones are 2. So 3x x square plus 3x plus 2.
This again is the way of recheck your answer. Okay. So we don't have to put again in the plus form. We have to put in the multiplication form only, factorization form. Okay. We have to factorize this expression. Okay. So you can see you can't apply any identities, because first term and third term, the both are not a perfect square. This 2 is not a perfect square here. Okay, so check with the another method, x plus a x plus b method. Okay, in x plus a x plus b method, what we do, we split the middle term. Okay, so our middle term, this 3x can be splitted into two terms, 2x and 1x. Okay, 2x and 1x, we'll get 3x only, and write the 2 as it is. Now convert this into this splitted term form, and then take the x as common in first two, you will left with x plus 2. Take 1 as common, you will left with x plus 2. Now in both the terms, x plus 2 is common, take it out, and you will left with x plus 1. So x plus 1, x plus 2 will be the factor of this expression. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you do the same.
Ma'am,
Guys,
can we have quiz?
yeah, we will sure. We'll do this two
I'm
questions.
in that 6 ones are 6 times 6 minus 1 is 5.
After 2-3 questions, we will play quiz. Okay.
I'm here 6 ones are 6, no ma'am. 6 minus 1 is 5.
No, I will ask to anyone else. Let me to ask. Yeah. Harshita,
Yes, ma'am.
how will you solve it?
Ma'am, we can solve it by splitting, ma'am. X square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6.
Okay. Why 3x into 2x? Why 4 into 1? Why you have not taken 4 into 1?
Yes, ma'am.
4x plus 1x is also 5x.
Yes, ma'am. Because 2 or 3 they are directly divisible by 6, right? So I took 3 or 2 or 3.
4 and 1, they are not divisible. 1 is divisible by every term.
Ma'am, but in 4 table 6
We can
won't
take
come.
like that. Yes, ma'am. Only
Yes,
2
yes.
table again we should divide them.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a small question. Can we
Yes.
also take like x square plus 5x minus 1x plus 6?
5x minus 1x plus 6. This 5x
Sorry,
minus 1x.
6x.
Ma'am, actually we can take it like x square plus plus 2 plus 3 like
Yes.
2 plus 3
Ma'am, or can
like
we
2x
also-
plus 3x plus
Yes.
2 into
You
3.
have, there is a method, there is a standard method. You can't write anything. Actually, you have to split in such a manner that their addition should be the middle term and their multiplication should be the last term.
Last two terms.
Okay. Since we have seen this formula, x square a plus b into x plus ab, you split the middle term so that you get, after adding you will get the middle term, and after multiplying you will get the last term.
Ma'am, so can we write like x square plus 6x minus 1x plus 6?
X square
Plus
Min-
6x
yes
minus 1x
minus
6.
1x plus 6. No,
Ma'am,
see,
because 6 minus 1 is 5x
6
only.
minus 1 will be the 5 only, but 6 into 1 will not be the 6. You have
Ma'am,
to
can I
split.
tell?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
6 ones are 6 only, no, ma'am?
6
3x plus 2x will be 6x squared.
wait 6 into minus 1. 6 into minus 1 would be minus 6, not plus 6. You want plus 6.
Ma'am,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah.
Ma'am, like we can say that since 5x and plus 6 is there, we can say it like x square plus 2 plus 3 2x plus 3x plus 2 into 3.
Yes.
We can do like that.
Yes. You have to think about the a plus b. You have to find out the a plus b. Split this 5 term 5 into a plus b, so that their addition would be 5 and their multiplication would be 6. Now think on it. Now try to find out the value of AB. Is there any 2 term? Can you divide 5 in 2 terms such that its multiplication will be 6 and its addition will be 5? There is only one possibility. 3 and 2. 3 and 2. Their addition will be 5 and their multiplication would be 6. It can't be 6 and 1. Some children are saying it is 6 and 1. 6 and plus 1 would be 7 and 6 into 1 multiplication correct, but addition is not correct. After adding you should get 5 only. Okay.
I'm like, instead of 1, should we use the other?
What? Instead
Can
of?
we use like, instead of taking 1, we can actually take 2 and 3, right?
Yeah, 2 and 3 is the only option in
We
this
can
universe.
from a plus b you can take it as 2x plus, like 2x plus 3x, and for ab you can take it as 2 into 3.
Yes, that's only the third step. After finding the value of AB, put the value of AB here. 3x plus 2x plus a into b. Okay, 3 into 2. Okay. So now there are 4 terms. Now you can apply the regrouping method. Okay, from the first 2 terms, you can take x as common. You will left with x plus 3. From the last 2 terms, you can take 2 as common. You will left with x plus 3. Okay. Now again you can take the common factor x plus 3 as common factor in both the terms, and you will left with x plus 2. So this x plus 3 and x plus 2 would be the factor of this expression. Okay. You can either solve if the descriptive type question comes, you have to solve it by using this method. If it is a objective type question, you can directly write that after solving this is the expression of x plus a, x plus b. Since here the value of a is 2, b is 3. So you can write it directly x plus 3, x plus 2. Okay. So this is the method x plus a, x plus b factorization method. Clear? Clear everyone? Ananya?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Arshita?
only told the answer, ma'am.
Yes,
actually,
yes.
Like,
Yes. Shubhra?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Tanvi? Clear?
yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Clear.
Now the last question. You
Yes, ma'am.
factorize this expression. Factorize this expression. You can't use any identity because this 12 is not a perfect square. Okay. So what to do? Use this x plus a, x plus b factorization method. Okay. Split the 7y in such a way that 2 terms addition should be -7 and their multiplication should be 12.
Ma'am, minus 4y into minus 3y.
-4 into -3. Yes, correct. Absolutely correct.
And
we
if you
take
want, you can actually take it like -4, minus 4
3.
plus 3y plus plus 4 in, plus -4 into -3.
No. See how you could write -4 into 3. Minus, when you will add minus plus, it will give -y only. It will not give -7y. So for getting -7y, put the negative sign over here. -4y, -3y, minus will become plus. You have to add
7y.
these 2 terms and apply the sign of greater term. Okay, -7y. When you will split in this way, then only you will get -7y. Okay, and after multiplying these 2 terms, you should get 12 only. So are you getting 12? Sorry, -4 into -3. Don't consider the y. -4 into -3. This minus will become plus, and 4 3s are 12. You are getting 12. Okay. So you can write this expression as x plus a, x plus b. Okay, where a is -4 and b is -3. So you can write x minus 4, x minus 3. Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am. But here, ma'am, so that x minus 4 and x minus 3 can be replaced with y because according to the question. That means if we remove the x and replace with y, it will become y minus 4.
Yes. I did the mistake. I took the y. Since in a question it is y, it is not x. So y minus 4. Since I have
Ma'am, we can apply the formula using the variables given in the expression as well.
Yes. Here also you can change y plus a, y plus b. Okay. The only the things to taken care of that, you split the thing, this middle term in such a way that its addition, the addition should be maintained as -7 and their multiplication should be 12. Okay, you have to check both the things at a time.
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
Okay, got it? Shubhra, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, do this question. This is the last one, okay? After that, we will.
Ma'am, can you show the question?
Yes, z square minus 4z minus 12. Harshita, after this, we will play the quiz, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we are waiting. Yeah. So tell me, by using x plus a, x plus b method, what will be the value of a and b over here?
Ma'am, we can take it as z square minus 4z minus 3z minus 12.
Yes, correct. Okay, since this x plus a, x plus b expression is x square plus a plus b plus a b. Okay, so for factorizing, we are having this term. Okay, so this is x is z, z square minus 4z minus 12. Okay, so if we compare this equation with this one, here you have to split minus 4 in a plus b and minus 12 in ab. Okay, so now think on the number a and b. What could be the number so that their sum would be, what could be two number a plus b so that their sum will be minus 4 and their multiplication will be minus 12. If I say this 3 into 4, if I take two number 3 into 4, their multiplication is 12 only, but their addition will not be minus 4. Okay, so this will not fit. This will not fit in the equation. So the other possibility is if I take 6 into 2. Okay, 6 into 2 is also 12. If
Ma'am,
I
we can take 6 into 2, ma'am,
Yes.
because minus 6 into minus 2
2.
gives us minus 12 and
No,
and
minus
like,
6 into minus 2 will not give minus 12. It will give plus 12 only. If you multiply minus 6 into plus 2, then it will give minus 12.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And one more thing, we can actually write it as like for minus 4, we can write it as minus 6, like minus 6 plus 2.
Yes.
Which
And
is,
when you will add this minus
4.
6 plus 2, when you will add these two terms, you will get minus 4. And when you will multiply, you will get minus 12. So it means we can take the A as minus 6 and B as 2. Okay.
Yes.
So the factorization of this expression would be Z plus A, Z minus Z plus B. Okay, put the value of A and B. Z plus A. A is minus 6 and Z plus
minus 6
2.
and Z plus and Z plus 2.
This would be z minus 6, z plus 2. Got it? Is this clear for everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. Nityashree. Clear? Okay. Shubhra, clear? Tanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we can play quiz. Okay, after that we will continue this chapter in the next class. Division of algebraic expression, how to divide any algebraic equation. Okay. So let me to find out quiz.
I can tell the answer for the z square plus, z square minus 4z minus 12.
Yeah, that is correct. That is the question itself. You have to factorize, write down in the factor form. Z,
I can tell the answer
yeah,
like
z minus 6 and z plus 2. That is the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Factorization.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Tell me what happened.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. What happened? I have sent a link, quiz link.
Ma'am, I actually have another class English.
Okay. You may leave.
Will you keep attendance?
Yeah.
Or I will do quiz and I will leave, ma'am.
Okay. If you are interested, you can join.
Yes.
Okay. Join the quiz.